Conjugation of the verb to find in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I find. 2. Simple past, I found. 3. Simple future, I will find. 4. Present continuous, I am finding. 5. Past continuous, I was finding. 6. Future continuous, I will be finding. 6. 7. Present perfect, I have found. 8. Past perfect, I had found. 9. Future perfect, I will have found. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been finding. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been finding. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been finding. Conjugation of the verb to find. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it finds. 2. Simple past. He, she or it found. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will find. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is finding. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was finding. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be finding. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has found. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had found. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have found. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been finding. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been finding. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been finding. Conjugation of the verb to find. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they find. 2. Simple past. You, we or they found. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will find. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are finding. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were finding. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be finding. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have found. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had found. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have found. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been finding. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been finding. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been finding. Verb to find form. Present simple I, you, we, they find. He, she, it finds. Past simple found. Past participle found. Ing form finding.